Here are some quick Premiere Pro presets for great audio for your video. Let's dive straight in. If you've never created a preset in Adobe Premiere Pro, it's really easy to do so. First, you need to apply the effects that you want to save as a preset to your audio clip. And you can apply as many effects as you like and then save it out and always recall it time and time again. So the first place I'm going to suggest you go to is up here in the workspaces area, and you want to look for the effects panel, because that's where all the effects live. Like I'm in distortion there, but I can search for anything. I can search for EQs and stuff like that and put it all onto my clip. So here I'm just working with a little audio clip I recorded on my camera. Hello, I'm Mike Russell from... It's a nice quality microphone. I just want to pimp it up, make it sound really cool, and I can do that by bringing in a few effects and saving them as a preset. So let's go to Para for Parametric Equalizer. I'm going to drop that onto my audio clip. There you see in Effect Controls, it appears as an editable preset. Edit, and so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to whack on a bit of high end, and I'm going to run a high pass filter, quite a strong one, stronger than usual. Hello, I'm Mike Russell from musicradiocreative.com on my channel, so you can hear the difference there already that preset's making. So let's leave that as it is. Let's add a few other bits and bobs. Let's definitely add the dynamics, because that's going to clean me up nicely. So dynamics, again, I'm searching in the top search bar to find these effects. Drop, let's edit, let's add a compressor, let's make the ratio, 2.5 is good. Everything else the same, and we'll add a gate, and we'll make it not so aggressive by pulling the threshold down. Hello, I'm Mike Russell from Music. That's pretty aggressive, actually. Let's move the threshold up a bit. musicradiocreative.com on my... Okay, you can hear the difference this preset is making already. Let's go ahead and add a little bit of reverb, maybe studio reverb, just a tiny bit of reverb there. And this is a preset that's going to be our go-to for the future. Pull the wet down, keep the dry level high. Hello, I'm Mike Russell from musicradiocreative.com. Okay, that adds a bit of a sparkle to my voice. I like that. This is something I'm going to be using time and time again. Now, to save this out as a preset, all we do is Command or Control click all of our audio presets we dropped onto that track, like so. There they are. So we've selected Parametric Equalizer, Dynamics, and Studio Reverb. We then right-click any one of the presets, doesn't matter, and then you get Save Preset, okay? And then we're going to call this Mic Sparkle, okay? Because it really is very sparkly. That's all you do. If you want, you can add a description so you know what it's all about, but generally, if it's you using it, just call it a name, click OK, boom, you've saved your very first preset. Now, to show you how that works, I'm actually going to get rid of all those effects that I added to my audio, so we get the original audio back again. Okay, all the presets and effects been deleted. Hello, I'm Mike Russell. We're back to normal, and then all I need to do is I can either search by using the search bar, Sparkle, there it is, Mic Sparkle, or I can just pop down my presets panel up here in the effects window, and I can look, and there it is, Mic Sparkle. I can create a folder if I want to create a load of presets for myself and just refer to them later. Nice organization there. But I just got it right here in the root, and I can just drag and drop that onto my audio, and boom, look at that. Mic Sparkle, Mic Sparkle, Mic Sparkle, all added just with one drag and drop. It's amazing. Hello, I'm Mike Russell from musicradiocreative.com. And it really, really works. So I'm kind of guessing if you enjoyed this video, you're going to want to create your own presets, aren't you? Maybe you're going to want to match audio to video. Maybe your music is too long. All of these videos are available for you to watch on my channel, and some of them are appearing right now on the screen. Go and watch more and learn. And any questions you have about presets, do let me know in the comments down below.